Good morning, all. Then a few students asked to do some transaction on purchases again because don't know whether they are still absent or no, and they are not understand the way of recording the purchases. So anyhow, we will create because some students get called and asked for me, sir, one student absent and other one telling that not fully understand the recording of purchase orders. Anyhow, we'll see. Shall we start from the beginning to recording on the purchases? We'll start from the supplier. First, we'll create the new 2 or 3 suppliers. Right. Go to the cart file. The full process of recording a purchase. First, we create the under the cart file option suppliers. Right. We'll create a new supplier. We'll given on like give me one cricket equipment supplier. Right. We'll see. Click on new supplier. From the new supplier, use the supplier detail given on here chance spot. Transport private limited. One spot item supplier. Give the customer ID, so supplier ID SUP 009. Full transaction recording. Select on here company option. Give the address 120 Galle Road, Colombo 3. City Colombo. Then state Srilanka, Western Province. Postal code 1, country Sri Lanka. Company profile. Add the one phone number. That's the basic details under the company profile. Insert the contact of one of your friends' name. Like I add the year today, one student login at Menaka in the online contact person. Complete those details. Fax, email, later you can enter this detail. Card detail. No company logo or some image. Go to the buying detail. Click on here, item, purchase layout item. Select on expense account. Expense account. Under the cost of sales, cost of material. Cost of material. Actually not repair, cost of material. Purchase comment. Add one comment here. The mostly used by this supplier to send the item, we call delivery method, shipping method. Select one shipping, I select here courier. If you know the supply rating and cost per hour, you can add this detail. Actually, this is not very important for the item purchase. Yeah, add on credit limit 100,000. Applicable VAT rate on 18% for the tax code and rate. Go to the payment. Others are the supply terms. Add on here early settlement by 5% discount. Volume of discount 1%. Payment detail. You know the bank detail on your supplier at the bank name, bank account number like this. Contact log. History. Okay. Transport. Another one more supplier. Give me one spot item company name. You know that? Please tell me. What item selling company? Don't know. Right. We'll add another one. Sangakara. Private Limited. SUPE 011. Supply level. At this basic detail, give the address, city, state and all. Online student, you are okay, no?
Yes,
Menak,
sir.
okay. Right. Fill the buying detail. Item purchased. Expense account. Cost of material. Credit limit given 120,000. At the other basic detail. Right. Payment detail, the supplier bank account and bank account name have to be filled. No detail on contact log and still not update the history detail on supplier. Click OK. Now Sangakala Private Limited is there and Transport Private Limited is there. Create the two new suppliers. 9 and 11. Is it okay? Right. Then shall we go to the purchase order transactions? Recording on purchase. Right. And you need to write down the transaction note directly recorded in the system? Directly? Okay. Right. Then go to the purchases. Write the transaction at the time. Right. Enter purchase. Enter purchase. Right. Select on your order option. Order option. Select the supplier first. Chance Sport Private Limited. Right. Write down the detail. PO, purchase order, 110, PO number 110. Note down the transaction. Supplier, Transport Private Limited. The date of purchase order, 23, month of April. 10th. 10th April 23. Write down the important detail. Supplier name, PO number, date, and invoice number. We'll create INV 0110. Not 0, normal, 110. PO number 110. Invoice number 110. Same date, 10th April. Supplier transport. Right. Recording. Go to the received. Received 50 item. Select the bag items. First, because no bags are available in my stocks, I take on 50 on Adidas blue CK bag. Use this item. This item available in your system, no? Is it there, no? Right. Use this item. Not down. Adidas blue CK bag. No, who's showed at the name? Who's the number 17? Adidas blue cricket. Okay, cricket bag. Okay. Who's the number 70? You. You showed it. Okay, anyway. Cricket bag. Then look at your inventory. Student, look at the inventory tutorial. Look at the price of this bag. Open this tutorial. Inventory item tutorial. 4,000, 3,000 like this, no? How much? Under the inventory items, bag category. I think last page or before the last page. Adidas Blue Cricket. How much? Is it not there? Sorry? Mid examination. Right. Anyway, type on here 3,500. Automatically update our discount percentage, whether you get discount from supplier or not, you decide on here. 3,500 into 50 bags, 175,000 VAT liable. Next, 50 item of second category, Adidas, what do you mean by WCK bag? Okay, anyway, WCK, woodworm, no, woodworm, I think, woodworm cricket bag. Use this item, give the price 3,600, no discount, and 180,000. That 50 item of here woodworm cricket bag is there, no? Don't know. Then select here a Kokobura cricket bag. Take on 4,000. No discount, 200,000. Right, enough. Enough number of items. Yes, company. 3 items. 50 item from Adidas Blue CK bag. 50 item Adidas WCK bag. 50 item Kokobura cricket bag. Student, at least you noted down 50 item from Adidas Blue, 50 item WCK, 50 item Kokobura with the item unit price. Item unit price. Otherwise, when we take on the GRN at the different price, we cannot record it on this transaction. Again, we have to review this transaction. With the total PO value 555,000. Okay. Shall I record this transaction? Because of that, the few students requested from me continue the new purchase order transactions. Not difficult. You have to keep your mind the recording steps, the purchase order recording steps. First, create the order. Actually, order came from the supplier. No, in here. In here, company side create the orders to the supplier. In the sales order came from the customers. We recorded by this the PO from customers to our SO, sales order or sales quotation. Right. Click record. Record. Would you like to change the tax code? No. The supplier having a credit limit on 100,000. But look at here. The order value 555 exceed the credit limit. Okay. Record. How you review this transaction? Tell me. Register. Correct. Go to the register option. No transaction. What is the reason? Out of the period. Select your financial period 23 April. Look at here. Here, filtering option. My dear student, search bar here. Click on supplier. Select here supplier by transport. Then the filtering option is there. If you want to filter all supplier here, all pending purchase orders are displayed the window. If you select for a specific supplier like Transport Private Limited, with the date range, display the pending orders from the Transport Private Limited or the specific supplier. Is it there? Where? Not all purchase. In the order option. In the order option. Click on here quotation. No quotation from this supplier. No open bill from this supplier. Only one pending purchase order is there. It's okay? By all? Right. Now, go to the GRN. Invoice this item. Not down. Invoice. So likewise, you have to create the transaction for your project. Right. For 1 day, your purchase order. Then after few days, your GRN part. Receive the inventory. Click here option, bill option. Select on bill option. Note down the next transaction. GRN the item. Could receive the following item. Right. Select the same supplier, Transport Private Limited, use supplier. Now display your pending PO. Pending purchase order. Select this pending purchase order. Then automatically details are taken to your screen. Right. Now change the date. 12th April. After 2 days. Original PO date 10. After 2 days, the Transport Private Limited send the item to the SAP campus, SAP Cricket Private Limited. Right. Click on here, bill option. That will keep in mind. GRN means bill option. Then additional column activate here, backorder column. Right. Record on this transaction. We'll assume that ordered by 50, received by 40. What is the backorder? 10. Record in here 10 backorder. The original purchase order in SAP Cricket Club, we raised the price and we got the price on 3,500. But supplier sent item 3,750. Increase the price by 250. Then second, ordered by 50 item, received by 35 item. Back order 15, correct. Not here, actually. Here 50. 50, then 15 item. Back order. Order price 3,600. Supplier sent with the prices on 3,800. Now amend the original PO. Amend the original PO. In the third case, we'll assume that ordered by 50 items, received by 45 items. Back order 5 items. With the same price, 4,000. Right. Amend your original transaction in the GRN. Note down the important detail. Back order quantity and the unit price. Back order quantity and the unit price. Right. Then record the now original PO 555,000, now 577,500. Increase the PO amount. Record. Internet issue. Then no. Look at here. Now credit limit issues. Click OK. In the live system, you are not permitted to record the transaction. You have to get the permission from the top. Right. Now click on register. Till pending order is there. Then open bill option. GR. Right. Now you can record this pending order received by the future date. We'll record in on this pending order, back order. Again, go to the bill option. Bill option. Select the same supplier, Transport Private Limited. Use supplier. The back order 114,500. Use this purchase. Change the date 15th April. 15th April. Student, you are asked to record the transaction on purchase orders, but only few students are concentration. Right. Then click bill option. Bill option. Look at here. Again activated on a back order column. This time we will assume that all items are received. 10, 15, and 5. Sometime in the second order as well, getting on a less item. Again pending purchase. You have to be write down the transaction for your assignment on like that. First purchase order transaction, then GRNO invoice transaction, then back order transaction, then return transaction, and pay bill transaction. Identify the pattern. I'll teach everything here. Then a record. No. Predated, okay. Still credit limit issues. Okay. Now, look at here. Remove your pending POs. No POs. Who's the supplier? Transport. Now you look at here. getting on the different items or different 2 times. Now we'll record on return transaction. Still no return transaction in here. Okay. Select on return tab. Return tab. We'll return few items. Click here, new purchase. New purchase. Select the supplier. Second supplier, Transport Private Limited. Change the date. April 20th. Invoice number INV 112 or something. Under the received column, minus, we'll return one item, 2 item. On, look at it, now updated. Now items are updated. Then use item. No discount. $3,715 to 7,500. Total return amount on 7,500. Then record. Credit limit issue, okay. Recording. Click on register. Now return items and the quantity, the amount is there. What is the last step? Last step. This amount we have to be adjust our purchased. Remove the purchase. No. Actually we get the item, increase our purchase. No. Then from the stock already returned. Then from the purchase we have to be remove this item. Go to the apply to purchase. Apply to purchase. From this item or that item, we return on 7,500. Change the date, 2023, month of April 20th. Look at here. Here discount activated. If you want to get on discount, you take this discount. Otherwise, remove the discount. Then click on here, activated on the debit amount. Then record. Now returns are removed from the return. Now click on close bill. Then the close bill having a return item 111 no something. Invoice number 102. Now we go for the payment. Payment. Cancel all. Go to the purchase. Pay bill. Pay bill. Select the one payment account. Either you are paying on the Sampath Bank, commercial bank, your cash account, people's like this. Select this one account. Select the supplier, Transport Private Limited. Now look at here. Now reduce from the return item. Then change the date, 23, month of April. We'll assume that paying on the last week, 27th. 27. From the original PO, 570,000 outstanding. Look at here, now activated on the discount. If you delete the discount, look at here. Delete the discount, 570,000 is there. Now assume that we are paying on 100,000. 100,000. Then click on here, amount. Then here out of balance, click on tab. Then record. Go to your bank current account, customize the period on 23 March, so April, 100,000 in the withdrawal column. Right. Now, student, look at here. Here, current account payment type is there. If you select on here, look at it. There are different options. Here, pay bill option, enter purchase option, receive payment option, like this. So anything you can handle in the current account. Like let's say, again, enter purchase, give the check number here and the filter the period. It's 23 month of April. Select on supplier here, Transport Private Limited. Then the expense account, is there. Then tax code, whether it is tax liable or not. If you're liable on VAT, on this payment, actually you're not liable for the payment on expenses. Then you type on here amount required to pay, like additional 50,000. You can pay on here. Additional 50,000. Check number, date, pay below. Here different option, enter purchase option or pay bill option. Got this point? Then click on supplier, transport. Now look at here. Outstanding amount will be displayed. From this outstanding, you are paying on 50,000. Right? Then click on tab button. Then record option. Payment charge spot private limited. Then record. Recording. Okay. You can use both bill option or purchase option. Anyhow, recording on the payment. Now you understand. You can use either this current account option or pay bill option. Both you can use. Right. Close. Now you click on reports. Reports. Accounts. Go to your profit and loss account. Display. Customize your period. 23. 1st April. I still not taken to the purchase, no. Still it is in the material. Not actually taken a cost of goods sold. Not sale, no. Right. At the sales time, taken to the cost of goods sold. Right. Now, using the second supplier, Sangakar and Company. We are here. Sangakar and Company. Okay. New supplier. We'll record on the basic transaction. Not in first one in detail. The fully transaction we'll discuss. Right. Go to the purchase. Right. Those who are not creating a Sangakar Private Limited, go to the card option and create the new supplier. Take the 1 minute. Abdul Hasib. Hello. Abdul Hasib. Are you hear me? Abdul Hasib in your class? Your student, no? Yeah. The local one, no? Why people are taking on the link on login on the online classes? Right. Is it complete? Create the new supplier, Sangakara Private Limited. Right. Recording on next transactions. Go to the purchasers. Now you click on purchase register. Purchase register. Look at here. Open bill status. Return. One close bill option. Click on all purchase. All pending purchase orders are there. In the open status and close status. Go to the transaction journal. Customize your period from here 23. Purchase detail. How many transactions have you incorporated as purchases? The company. Here down arrow. Look at the last transaction return one. The inventory return item from the creditors and the inventory and the VAT. Here original transaction. Debited on the individual inventory item with the VAT. Credit to your credit account. All purchases are there. How many transactions you recorded? This transaction is there. Look at your disbursement. Payment. Payment detail. Look at the last one. You are paying to the transport by 50,000. This transaction. Before the last transaction, 100,000 paid. This 100,000 payment. 27th April. All right. We recorded on the last transaction on the purchase. Go to the enter purchase. Right. Now I finalize this section. Order option. Supplier. Newly created one, Sangakkara Private Limited. Sangakkara Private Limited. Use supplier. Purchase order automatically created. Date you change. April 9th. INV 1112. Student. Now what happened here? You cannot record the received column. Is it not there? What is the reason? Now activated on the service invoice. From here layout, even in the examination that the scenario will be happen. You don't ask from them to. The invigilators, how I change it there. Because they don't know the software. Here layout order option, not order, layout option. From the layout option, select item option. Then click OK. Now activated on the receipt. Then again give the INV112 received column. I got 20 item, 20 item. Don't know the name. Short by that boy. DSC wood cricket bat. Add on this item. මොකද පුතා මේ DCS කියලා mean කර? Don't know. Anyway. What's the item on this? Sorry? No. All are cricket bat. No, yes. Another MRF cricket bat. Apa tu? Sorry? Same? No, I asked DSC given same name. Okay. DSC wood cricket bat. Use this item. Then unit price, how much? Look at the inventory tutorial. The unit price. 8,000. Mid-exam paper. We'll add on like 4,500. 90,000. Mid-exam paper, no? This transaction. Next one. Only we had 2 items. 20 item on MRF wood CK bat. MRF wood CK bat. Same price, 4,500. 90,000. Okay. Next. A record. Credit limit issue. Okay. Register. Now I select here supplier, Sangakara. Order is there. Pending order. Click on your order option. Order. All mean display all the purchase. Right? Then GRN. Bill option. Supplier Sangakara. Pending PO. Pending PO. Use this purchase. Change the date on the 11th April. Right, this time I'll add the freight charges on 1,500. Modified. Freight charges on 1,500. Most probably suppliers are getting on the freight, no? Then no back order. Then click on bill first. Bill, no back order. Get 2020 item from 2 item. Then click record. No. Credit limit exceed by 61,000. Okay. Click on register. Now it is on the open bill status. Record on the one return. One return. Go to the new bill option. Is it complete? No. Complete. Right. Go to the return. First you go to the return. No return items. New bill. New bill. Supplier. Sangakal. Change the date. Date on 12th. After GRN date, student, if you are recording and writing the transaction in your assignment, the date order should be there. The first order date, second GRN date, third back order date, then return, then payment. How do we maintain the accounting, the record dates? Given on here, supplier, INV, 113, change the layout, item. Again given INV 113. Right. In the return one, -1, -1. What's the item? Look at it now updated 20 item. 20 item is there in my warehouse. TSC item. Unit price 4,500. Item automatically activated. One item return. Item called MRF CK bet. Same price. Then 9,000 total record. Credit limit issue, okay. Return item 9,000. Right? Then this return 9,000 applied to your purchase. Yeah, apply to purchase. Click on the total amount. The debit amount 9,000. The memo Sangakara return memo. Look at here 113. Now click on tab option. Then record. Now click on open bill option. 9,000 is there. From the bill, deduct from this amount. Okay? From the bill, deduct this amount. Right. Close bill. Go to the payment. Pay bill. Sampath Bank. Any payment account you can select from here. Only in my case having a Sampath Bank. No People's Bank. In your case having a People's BOC like this. You have to be select any other account. Don't worry. Select on here Sangakara. Now look at here. They automatically deduct this return item. 9,000. No. Now assume that getting on a discount. Discount 5,000. Then amount 172, total out to pay by 167. From this amount, company paid on 100,000. Then click on amount. Tab. Right. Then record. There are different options. All option is there. If you have a more than one invoice, all invoices you can pay from here. Payable note. Right. Take the 5 minutes time. Complete the one transaction on a new supplier, and if there's any issues, now will come record first. Take the new supplier. I think there are some suppliers in our assignment paper, no? Fourth corner, right? Yes. Sorry, Buddha? Yes. No, we deducted from actually in the original PO 181,000, no? From the 181,000, deduct the 9,000. Then 172,000, then paid on the 100,000, then 72,000. Discount deduct already deducted, no? Not deducted. 172. Huh? Actually, I forgot the amount. Still for 72,000, no? Okay, we'll see later in which state. Right. Anyway, right. Take on new supplier, Sport Corner Private Limited. Sport Corner Private Limited. The zero balances, no. Right. Together with your friend, complete the one transaction on PO. Online student as well. Take the new supplier by online student. You have to be create the transaction on purchase to this Sport Corner Private Limited. You select any item, one or two item, raise the purchase order, and complete the entire process of likewise, you have to be write the transaction on purchase. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, yeah. You have to be keeping your memory because in the paper is there. But anyway, the original price will be amended by the invoice type, that invoice amount taken. Because you are getting the item of the invoice amount. එහෙනම් date එක change වෙනවා. ඊට කලින් දවසක return කරනවා. ඉතලා inventory කරලා ඉන්න ඕනේ. Inventory කරලා ඉන්න ඕනේ. GRN කරලා ඉන්න ඕනේ. First you have to get GRN. Maybe somewhere and internet getting on this. So that may listen me. Order you can't return. What do you mean by order? Order means just a memory transaction. Not actually debited or credit somewhere. We raise the order we can't return. After receiving the GRA, then physical inventory at our warehouse. Then the system allowing to use it. Try to understand the actual transaction. Is it okay by online student? Mayumi, Menaka? Now login by the one foreign student. Samudra? Hello, Samudra? Join there. 26. Sumadura, are you hear me? Online students, you have to be start your project together with your other members. Together with your friends, today you can join to the meeting to discuss the project activity. Sumadura, you inform to others. Hello, Sumadura.
Sir, are you hear me?
Okay, you have to inform your group members.
Okay, sir, sure.
Then today afternoon we will go for the group activity.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Asked to join by the others. Then I'll advise personally by your group. The others can physically advise. So you have to be completed on this project in the first step by the next week and presented on your report.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions regarding the purchase order process? By online student?
No, sir.
Okay. Next week. Today I'll advise all. Then next week you have to be presented step number 1 project. Yes, presentation. Not hard copy, in the soft copy can. Review with the soft copy. No need to take hard copy. Yes, morning one and afternoon one. Yes. Okay, take the small break. Then after the break, we will go to the recording on fixed asset, acquisition of fixed asset. Okay.